Non-traditional machining. First module, introduction. Introduction to non-traditional machining. Need for non-traditional machining process. Comparison between traditional and non-traditional machining. General classification. Non-traditional machining processes. Classification based on nature of energy employed in machining. Selection of non-traditional machining processes. Specific advantages, limitations, and applications of non-traditional machining processes. Introduction. Non-traditional manufacturing processes is defined as a group of processes that remove excess material by various techniques involving mechanical, thermal, electrical, or chemical energy, or combinations of these energies, but do not use a sharp cutting tool as it needs to be used for traditional manufacturing processes. Extremely hard and brittle materials are difficult to machine by traditional machining processes such as turning, drilling, shaping, and milling. Non-traditional machining processes, also called advanced manufacturing processes, are employed where traditional machining processes are not feasible, satisfactory, or economical due to special reasons as outlined below. Very hard, fragile materials difficult to clamp for traditional machining. When the workpiece is too flexible or slender, when the shape of the part is too complex. Several types of non-traditional machining processes have been developed to meet extra required machining conditions. When these processes are employed properly, they offer many advantages over non-traditional machining processes. The common non-traditional machining processes are described in this section. Definition. A machining process is called non-traditional if its material removal mechanism is basically different than those in the traditional process, that is, a different form of energy other than the excessive forces exercised by a tool which is in physical contact with the workpiece is applied to remove the excess material from the work surface or to separate the workpiece into smaller parts. Non-traditional machining NTM processes are characterized as follows. Material removal may occur with chip formation, or even no chip formation may take place. For example, in AJM abrasive jet machining, chips are of microscopic scale, and in case of electrochemical machining, material removal occurs due to electrochemical dissolution at atomic level. In NTM, there may not be a physical tool present. For example, in laser jet machining, machining is carried out by laser beam. However, in electrochemical machining, there is a physical tool that is very much required for machining. In NTM, the tool need not be harder than the workpiece material. For example, in EDM, copper is used as a tool material to machine hardened steels. Mostly NTM processes do not necessarily use mechanical energy to provide material removal. They use different domains to provide machining. For example, in ultrasonic machining, abrasive jet machining, water jet machining, USM, AJM, WJM, mechanical energy is used to machine material. Need for development of non-conventional process. The strength of steel alloys has increased fivefold due to continuous R&D effort, research and development. In aerospace, requirement of high strength at elevated temperature with lightweight led to development and use of hard titanium alloys and other HSTR alloys, high strength, temperature resistant. The ultimate tensile strength has been improved by as much as 20 times. Development of cutting tools which has hardness of 80 to 85 HRC, which cannot be machined economically in conventional methods, led to development of non-traditional machining methods. Technologically advanced industries like aerospace, nuclear power, wafer fabrication, automobiles has ever increasing use of high strength, temperature resistant HSTR alloys having high strength to weight ratio and other difficult to machine materials like titanium, ceramics and semiconductors. It is no longer possible to use conventional process to machine these alloys. Production and processing parts of complicated shapes in HSTR and other hard to machine alloys is difficult, time consuming and uneconomical by conventional methods of machining. Innovative geometric design of products and components made of new exotic materials with desired tolerance surface finish cannot be produced economically by conventional machining. The following examples are provided where NTM processes are preferred over the conventional machining process. Intricate shaped blind hole, example square hole of 15 mm into 15 mm with a depth of 30 mm with a tolerance of 100 microns. Difficult to machine materials, example titanium alloys or carbides, ceramics, composites, HSTR alloys, etc. Low stress grinding. Electrochemical grinding is preferred as compared to conventional grinding. Deep hole with small hole diameter. example 1.5 mm hole with L by D ratio is equal to 20, and machining of composites. Comparison between traditional and non-traditional machining. Traditional machining, non-traditional machining uses mechanical energy, uses abrasive erosion, oil displacement, ion displacement, fusion. It is not a micro machining, it is a micro machining. Accuracy is less, accuracy is more. High hardness cannot be machined, any hardness can be machined. Material removal rate is more, material removal rate is less. Difficult shape cannot be machined, difficult shape can be machined. Conventional versus non-conventional machining. The cutting tool and workpiece are always in physical contact with a relative motion against each other, which results in friction and a significant tool wear. In non-traditional machining processes, there is no physical contact between the tool and workpiece, although in some non-traditional processes, tool wear exists. It rarely is a significant problem. Material removal rate of the traditional process is limited by the mechanical properties of the work material. Non-traditional processes easily deal with such difficult to cut materials like ceramics and ceramic based tool materials, fiber reinforced materials, carbides, titanium based alloys. In traditional processes, the relative motion between the tool and workpiece is typically rotary or reciprocating, thus the shape of the work surfaces is limited to circular or flat shapes. In spite of widely used CNC systems, machining of three-dimensional surfaces is still a difficult task. Most non-traditional processes were developed just to solve this problem. Machining of small cavities, slits, blind or through holes is difficult with traditional processes, whereas it is a simple work for some non-traditional processes. Traditional processes are very well established, use relatively simple and inexpensive machinery and readily available cutting tools. Non-traditional processes require expensive equipment and tooling as well as skilled labor, which increases significantly the production cost. Classification based on nature of energy employed in machining. Mechanical, erosion of work material by a high velocity stream of abrasives or fluid or both is a typical form of mechanical action. Electrical, electrochemical energy to remove material, reverse of electroplating. Thermal, thermal energy usually applied to small portion of work surface, causing that portion to be removed by fusion or vaporization. Chemical, chemical agents selectively remove material from portions of work part while other portions are protected by a mask. Classification of advanced machining techniques classified into mainly four: mechanical processes, electrochemical processes, electrothermal process, chemical process. AJM abrasive jet machining, USM ultrasonic machining, WJM water jet machining, AWJM, AFM, MAF, ECM electrochemical machining, ECG electrochemical grinding, EJD. Electrothermal process, EDM electric discharge machining, LJM laser beam machining, EBM electron beam machining, PAM plasma machining. Chemical process, CHM chemical machining, and PCM. Mechanical energy processes. It is characterized by the fact that the material removal is due to the application of mechanical energy in the form of high frequency vibrations or kinetic energy of an abrasive jet. Ultrasonic machining, water jet cutting, abrasive water jet cutting, abrasive jet machining. Electrochemical machining processes. Electrical energy used in combination with chemical reactions to remove material. Reverse of electroplating. Work material must be a conductor. Processes are electrochemical machining ECM, electrochemical deburring ECD, electrochemical grinding ECG. Thermal energy processes. Very high local temperatures, material is removed by fusion or vaporization. Physical and metallurgical damage to the new work surface. In some cases, resulting finish is so poor that subsequent processing is required. The material is removed due to controlled localized heating of the workpiece. It results into material removal by melting and evaporation. The source of heat generation in such cases can be widely different. Electric discharge machining, electric discharge wire cutting, electron beam machining, laser beam machining, plasma arc machining. Chemical machining, CHM, material removal through contact with a strong chemical agent. All utilize the same mechanism of material removal. Processes include chemical milling, chemical blanking, chemical engraving, photochemical machining. Process selection. To make efficient use of modern machining process, it is necessary to know the exact nature of the machining process. This method cannot replace conventional process. A particular machining method found suitable for given condition may not be equally efficient for other condition. Before selecting, the following must be satisfied: physical parameters, properties of the work material and shape of machined object, process capability, and economic considerations. Physical parameters of the modern machining process. Parameters are potential, voltage, current, ampere, power, watt, gap, millimeters, and medium. Different processes are USM, AJM, ECM, CHM, EDM, EBM, LBM, and PIM. These are the physical parameters of the modern machining processes. Properties of the work material and shape of machined object. Shape applications of modern machining process are holes, precision small holes, standard holes, through cavities, precision, standard, surfacing, double contouring, surfaces of revolution, through cutting, shallow, deep. Processes are USM, AJM, ECM, CHM, EDM, LBM, and PIM. A stands for good, B stands for fair, and C stands for poor. Material applications. Materials are aluminum, steel, superalloys, titanium, refractories, plastics, ceramics, glass. Processes are USM, AJM, ECM, CHM, EDM, EBM, LBM, and PIM. A. Good application. B. Fair. C. Poor. D. Not applicable. Process capability. Process are USM, AJM, ECM, CHM, EDM, EBM, LBM, PIM. Conventional milling of steel. Process capabilities are material removal rate in cubic millimeter per minute, tolerance in micron, surface finish in terms of micron, surface damage depth also in micron, and last corner radius in millimeters. Economic considerations. Process economy are capital investment, tooling and fixtures, power requirement, efficiency, tool consumption. Process are USM, AJM, ECM, CHM, EDM, EBM, LBM, PIM. Conventional machining. A. Very low cost. B. Low cost. C. Medium cost. D. High cost. And E. Very high cost. Advantages. Difficult to machine materials can be machined with non-conventional process. Machining materials in the complex shapes is possible with non-conventional process. Economic for mass production for long duration. High strength to weight ratio, hardness and heat resisting materials can be machined with non-conventional process. High accuracy and surface finish. Material removal without mechanical contact with the workpiece. Material removal rate is independent of workpiece hardness. Cutting forces are independent of workpiece hardness. Tool material need not be harder than the workpiece material. Tool wear is not a problem. Ability to machine any material. Burr-free machining. Stress-free machining. Uniform material removal over the entire area simultaneously. Superior surface integrity possible. Intricately shaped, very hard and fragile materials can be machined. Finely focused micro machining. Micro hole drilling and shallow entrance angles possible. Easy compatibility with numerical control and mini computer controls. Limitations. Workpiece and tool must be electrically conductive. Depth of cut is limited. Recast or heat affected zones of surfaces produced may be troublesome. For this purpose, the compatibility of the process with the metallurgical state of the workpiece materials can be studied before using a particular non-traditional machining process for production work. There may be taper in the sidewalls of holes or cavities. Most of these limitations can be overcome and controlled so that the advantages can be obtained with good product quality assurance.